This video tutorial will show you how to access the collaboration sessions that we offer in our live lesson classrooms. So from the announcement page, you want to make sure that you go up to the tab that says Collaborations. Now you'll notice that this is only for personal fitness students. Down below, you will notice that there is a description that shows you exactly what your options are. Remember that you have two options for fulfilling the collaboration. You may complete the project located in your course, or you may attend a live lesson from the rolling calendar below. Remember, option 1 is the project. Here's a video tutorial to show you how to access that. And below that, you will see option 2, which is to attend a live lesson in our Adobe Connect classrooms. Now, we have two classrooms that we will be operating from. The first one will be our PE live lesson room. The second one will be general live lesson sessions that we offer any Pasco eSchool student. So essentially, you have a choice. You may attend one in the PE live lesson room, or you may attend one from the general live lesson classroom. So I'm going to give you directions on how to attend one of our general live lessons. Below you will find a calendar with all different types of sessions that our Pasco eSchool teachers are offering. When you find a session that you are interested in, all you need to do is simply click on the session. It will give you when the session is going to be offered and the time. It'll give you a little description, and you'll notice too that it indicates that this is open to all students. So that means it doesn't matter what course you're currently taking with Pasco eSchool, you can attend. And here's where you really need to pay attention. There are specific directions on how to access our virtual classrooms. Now, if you are starting this year out, 2016-17 school year, we've changed our live lesson room. So you must re-enroll even if you attended sessions last year. So again, it says, if this is the first time you have attended a live lesson this school year, please click here to find directions on how to log into your live lesson. Now let's say that you attended maybe a welcome call at the beginning of this school year, and you've already done this step, and you've enrolled in the general live lesson room. Then if you need a little refresher on how to log into Adobe Connect, you can click here for directions. So let's take a look at if this is your first time enrolling. Notice at the top it does ask for you to enroll in this course 24 hours prior to the first session. So if this one is being offered on Wednesday, August 31st, you want to make sure that you enroll in this class before August 31st, 24 hours prior. So I would suggest doing it on Monday or Tuesday so you're ready to attend. So I'm going to click here so you can see what these directions look like. You'll notice that there are some live links here that when you click on them, it's going to take you to where you want to be. But this page gives you step-by-step directions for those first-time users enrolling in our live lesson general session classroom. So the first thing you want to do is test your computer. You'll click here and you will select whether you are on Windows or a Mac, and it will give you specific directions on testing your computer. There are certain programs that must be in place before you attend the session. Then step 1, it gives you, like I said, step-by-step instructions on what you need to do. So you're going to click on this link to enroll in our eSchool live lesson classroom. You'll select that you already have a Pasco County School login. Remember, this is your Canvas account that you may use at your brick and mortar school. So your username is going to be your 6-digit student ID number. This is also referred to as your lunch number. And then you're going to enter in your password, which is that funky password that usually contains the 5 letters, capital first letter, and then 2 numbers, some sort of punctuation mark. So example, it might be happy 01 exclamation mark. You're going to click Enroll in Course. We do have a live link here that can give you some help with your account if you need it, if those steps above did not work for you. And again, here is that important reminder. You will now have access to your course, but must allow 24 hours prior accessing Adobe Connect to join that live lesson. Step 2, once you get into Adobe Connect, you're going to go to Courses and select the eSchool Live Lesson course, which you can see is highlighted right here. Once you select that and you've entered the course, over on the left-hand side you're going to see a full menu, but you're going to select Adobe Connect. Step 4, you're going to click on the Join button that you see. In Step 5, you're only going to see this the first time that you enroll in the eSchool Live Lesson Room. It's going to ask you to log in to continue to the live lesson. And then Step 6, you do want Adobe Connect to be able to access your camera and microphone. Not all instructors use those features, but you certainly do want to allow them in case they ask you to utilize them. And that's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your instructor and we can give you some tips for joining our general live lessons.